Hello, first graders, and welcome back to your social studies job for today. Our target skill for today is I can describe changes that happen in me and my community over time using the terms past, present, and future. So today, boys and girls, we are going to use these gestures and these words to help us describe us and our community. Say it with me. Past, present, future. Let's investigate these words. So the past is the time before now. In these pictures, you will see me and Miss Mikhail in the past. This is us when we were babies and when we were small children. The time before now. Have we changed at all? Have you changed since when you were a baby? Yes. People change from the past to the present. You say it, present. The present is the time now. This is Miss Michaela and myself now in the present. What do you notice about us that has changed? We have gotten bigger, our faces have changed. We can talk, we can speak more words now. Lots of things about us change as we get older. Now, our next word, boys and girls, is the future or the time to come. You say it, future. This may be what Miss Mikhail and I look like in the future. We do not know yet because the future is the time to come. We are going to take a closer look at how our communities have changed from the past to the present. Looking at these two types of housing, which one do you think happened in the past and which one looks like the present? This is what housing looks like in the present, and this is what it looked like in the past. In the past, people had to build their own houses out of things that they could find in the woods. Do we have to do that in the present? That is one way that housing has changed. Schools. Which one is the past and which one is the present? This is what schools look like now, and this is what schools looked like in the past. What do you notice about these pictures? How are things different? Farming. This is what farming looked like in the past. It may have been one man and a tool and some horses. This is what farming looks like in the present. Can you see a difference in how farming has changed? Have the tools that farmers use changed? How have they changed? They've gotten bigger and better, and it makes farming easier for the farmer with the new tools. Cooking. This is what we use to cook in the present. This is how they had to cook in the past. Laundry. Do you ever help Mom do the laundry at home? This is how they did it in the past. They did not have machines to wash their laundry. This is how we wash laundry in the present. We can just put it in the machine, and the machine washes the laundry for us. What will our communities look like in the future? What kind of tools do you think we will use in our communities in the future? It's fun to wonder. All right, boys and girls, your job today, your social studies job today is to make a choice. You may create your past, present, future book based on what you looked like, or you can complete this cut and paste activity where you put the pictures in order as to whether they happened in the past, the present, or the future. Have fun, first graders!